Assalamu alaikum students, we have done the previous topic keyboard. So next the topic is a mouse. So let we start. Put the fingers on open the page number 14. See what is mouse? You see in the picture this is a mouse. What is mouse? So we read. A mouse is a pointing device. What is mouse? Mouse is a pointing device. When you point in your hand, so you point the each and everything. When you point in the computer, anything, so you use the mouse. When you open the any icon, so you use a mouse. In the help of mouse you open the each and everything in the computer. It has a long wire attached to the system unit. It has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Mouse control the movements of arrow on the screen. It helps to draw and make the work easy on a computer. A mouse should be kept on the mouse pad as it moves well on smooth surface. You understand? It has a how many buttons you see in this picture? The mouse has two buttons and the mid on this is a scroll wheel. What is this? This is a scroll wheel and it control the all movements of arrow. When you open the computer, you see in the monitor there the small arrow. You show on the small arrow. So this the mouse control the all movements of this arrow and point the each and everything, and it is help to draw and make your work easy. And it is kept on mouse pad. But where you kept on the mouse is a pad, as it moves well on smooth surface. You understand? Next topic is printer. What is printer? A printer is used to print text or picture on paper. The print out is called a hard copy. What is printer? Which you write each and everything in the computer. So when you hope the all thing what you write in your hand, so you print out these things in a hard copy. Like your book, you see in your book pages they are the typing on computer and they are given in the hard copy. I hope you understand. Next topic is speaker. What is speaker? You see in this picture, this is our speakers. You see in the your homes and the wedding place. You see in this speakers. You can listen to music or to record that voice by using speakers. You see, you listen the music and recorded voice to speaker. Yeah, you have done. Next, move the page number 15. When you play game or watch movies or on a computer, you can hear a sound with the help of speaker. When you play the games and watch movies, so you hear the sound of the movies and the cartoons on computer in help of speaker. Understand? The next topic is microphone. Next topic is microphone. You show in this picture. What is in this picture? You see, this is a microphone. You see what is microphone? You can record your voice or sound by using a microphone. When you record your voice, you want to record your voice, so you the help of microphone you record your voice and any sound. The next topic is headphone. Headphone you see in this picture is a headphone. You can listen to record sounds, songs and voice using headphones. You listen also the sound, so the help of headphones. The next is UPS. You see in this picture, this is a UPS. UPS, what is UPS? UPS, unit trap power supply. A UPS keep the computer working for some time when the electricity goes off. What is UPS? UPS is abbreviation of unit trap power supply. Unit trap power supply is a UPS and it helps to computer working for some time when the electricity goes off. When the electricity goes, so you can do the work on computer with the help of UPS. जब लाइट चली जाती है तो हम कंप्यूटर पे किसकी मदद से काम कर सकते हैं? यूपीएस की मदद से, और ये कंप्यूटर को ऑन रखता है. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज CD, ROMs and DVDs. System unit has a CD drive to put your CD. You can store the information on your CD with the help of a CD writer. Similarly, you can put the DVDs on DVD drive. You see in this picture, they are the system unit. You put the CDs or DVDs with the in this system unit, and you see the each and you store the information on this, and you see the each and everything when you store in this. Understand? Must now. In the last in the green line you see must now. Earlier floppy disks were used to store the information. Now they have been replaced with the CDs and DVDs. Are you understand? Nowadays we store what the thing we use to store the information is a floppy disk, and they have been replaced with CDs and DVDs. Understand, students? You have done the complete reading. So come on the next page. On the top of the page, you see computer etiquettes. Computer etiquettes mean how you sit the computer lab and how you do the behave in the computer lab and on the front of computer. Okay, you see in this. Always keep the CDs in CD cover. You see in this picture, you keep the CDs in the CD cover. The next, do not touch the wires when the computer is on. This is important etiquette on your, so you don't touch the computer wires when the computer is on, because in the wires in the electricity, you see in the picture, the boy is touching the computer wires, so you don't touch the computer wires in when the computer is on, because they have the current. You understand, students? Come on the next. Now you know. The first is a computer mainly consists of four main parts. First is system unit, second is key monitor, third is keyboard, and fourth is mouse. System unit is also the CPU. The next is a monitor is used to see cartoon, movies, and whatever you type. Next, a keyboard is used to type information on into a computer. Mouse make your work easy on a computer. Printer is used to print your work on paper. Speakers and headphones are used to listen to music or record it. Microphones help you to record your voice. UPS keep the computer on the even when there is no electricity. CD, ROMs and DVD stores your information. So you understand? On the first, computer mainly consists of four parts. How many parts of computer? System unit, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Next, monitor is used to watch cartoons, movies and whatever you type. Next, third one is a keyboard is used to type your information. You can type the keyboard, and what you type you see in the monitor screen. The next, fourth one, a mouse make your work easy on a computer, because mouse is a pointing device. When you move the mouse, is help us to draw and point the each and everything in the monitor. The next is printer. Printer is used to print your work on paper. Print your work on paper. Next, speaker and headphones are used to listen your voice or record your sound, music or recording sound. The next is microphones help you to record your voice. Why we use microphone? To record your voice. UPS keep the computer on even when there is no electricity. When the electricity goes off, so we use open the computer, we use the UPS. The next is CDs and DVDs stores the information. Is used to store information. Hope you are understand this chapter reading and the now you know and the computer etiquettes. Okay, best of luck. You can again and again read this chapter's reading and understand the each part. Okay, Allah Hafiz.